Hello, good evening, Professor. And tonight I am completing the jQuery questions or exercises. Exercise 1: hide all P elements with a click. Input the click event. Use the correct event to hide all P elements with a double click. EBLCLICK. When the mouse pointer enters a P value or P element, it should be hidden. Use the correct event to do so. Mouse enter. If you press a keyboard key inside an input element, it should be hidden. Use the correct event to do so. Key press. Use the on method to attach a click event handler to all P values. P.onClick. Ooh. So let me go back. It wouldn't be P, so let's close that out. This might take a second. I was right. Keep this the same. That on click P value. Yeah. Okay, parentheses. Not parentheses, quotation. Alrighty. This is my completion of said assignment. Hope now all I gotta do is work on the next two. Alrighty, have a good evening.